Hi guys, quick update. So last week we did a lot of soaking the lawn and doing a lot of soap into the lawn. And I tried to explain how the soap will help with the lawn from in the summer. And I just want to show you a quickie on the results and what I'm going to do next, because I don't want to put down what I'm going to put down and not be able to show you what the results were just from doing the soap in the water. I think it worked out really well, and I just wanted to show you a quick shot of the lawn and show you what's going on. So this is the lawn. And this is what we got after we were all burnt up. So there's a really bad spot here, and it was almost bare. It's all coming back. There is a few things that we want to address. You'll see it. I'll put out a video. I have some pretty neat stuff. I want to explain how we're going to handle the grubs that we had, and we'll go natural with that also, so that should be pretty interesting. So you'll see that next week. Right now I'm going to apply Green Envy, 4 ounces per gallon on the lawn, just to green it up really ridiculously green. And I want to show you a new tip that we're using. Let me show you. Hold on. So I wanted to show you this great tip. This tip is from Flow Zone. They sent it to me. They wanted me to try it out. So it has all the settings. Check it out. It's got 40 degrees, 25 degrees, 0 degrees, cone, and 110, which is very wide. I usually use 40 degree tip, which is like the standard tip that comes with the Flow Zone. And I want to try this out today. So we're going to use the Green Envy, and we're going to see if it will flow through this tip, and I think it will. So we're going to try this tip, and we're not going to shoot the top of the house, because Zero will probably shoot over the house with this thing. It's a beast. It's got high pressure, and it works really well. But let me set this thing, and you're going to see me start this out on the 40, and then see if the 110 works. So let's shoot the lawn. Let me show you. I'm going to put on this backpack sprayer, and I'm going to walk the lawn, and I'm going to spray the different tips. And I'm going to tell you which tip I'm on, and I'll give you an idea what it is, which one works best for this scenario. This thing's filled up, so it's very heavy. But the tip comes with a wide tip, and I believe it's a 40, and we're going to notice it right away. And I'll tell you when I fire it up. So you got the quick tip here. It's the same connector, and we're going to put the 40. So it's a little larger than a normal tip, but we'll see. We'll see if it works good. All right, let's go out on the lawn. So I'm going to put this on. I'm going to put this on very low. It'll work real well. Give it a little shot. Let's see how the spray works. All right, it's nice. So the one thing about this is it's so brown, you could see it almost coming out of the gun. See? So this tip works pretty good. The lowest setting on this thing's a beast, so I'm going to go to the 110 and see how wide it is. Yeah, the 110's more like a mister. See, the 110's easier for me. And so, let's see. Let's walk the 110 out a little bit. I got to go pretty quick on my lawn. Probably hear me huffing and puffing because I've been running around. It's getting late. I'm trying to get this done. Try to overlap really well. Hold it up high and let it mist. It'll get on the blades. Wow, the 110. So the 110 spray, if you can see it from where you're at, the 110 spray, it really sprays well. And it doesn't clog. No dye needed with this. It's so brown, it actually paints the lawn. I could see the strip. The 110's the best for this. So my lawn has been burnt to death in the last couple weeks. Any one of these companies with this backpack sprayer comes up with an indicator when you're running low, and I'm gonna buy it, because this is ridiculous. You don't know if you're running out or not. So I have one of the best sprayers made, and I don't know if I should be walking faster, slower. Now I've timed this and I'm pretty good at it, but to be quite honest with you, I really don't know how much is left in the tank. This could be, I could be running out right now. Worst comes to worst, I have to make another batch, but the truth is, it would be nice if it beeped when it got really close, wouldn't it? I mean, it's not that hard to make it, is it? A little level in the tank, and maybe give a little beep when it's getting within a gallon or so, so you know if you're near it, to keep walking at a certain pace. So when you get to the end, you'll see, you go right up the stripe. A lot of burning going on. We're microdosing, so this should help. I kind of like this tip. It's pretty cool. On the fly, you could change your pattern, which is very good. So I'll put it down in the description if you want to check it out. I think it's all right. It's good. It's a little heavier than the normal tip, but you know what? You could adjust it when you're out there if you want to get a little wider around trees or a little bit narrower as you're going. So I think it's a good idea. What do you think? Well, just remember, at the end of the day, all it is a hobby. It's your home. It makes you happy, and it's just grass. So stay tuned. We'll see you next week. Thanks a lot. Hit the like button. And if you haven't yet, subscribe. We'd like to see you next week and the week after. Click the bell so I can notify you when the next ones come out. Thanks so much. Bye.